What is up, guys? I'm FAMALAY. My name is Sophie, and I'm here to play, okay, but not today.
What's up? Yeah. What up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Yeah.
I am coming to you guys with a mini haul, and recently I purchased some stuff from Plouise and their hair. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. It's nothing much, but then I'm also gonna show you guys how I use these products to create a look. Alright, so you guys, this is Plouise new bases. Their names are crisp finish bases, and I got the shade Extra Spicy. It is a light pink, as you guys could see. Hope you guys are seeing this. And as you guys can see, it looks like chips because her whole what am I trying to say? The whole collection that she came up with represents a meal deal. Okay, so I got the base in the shade Extra Spicy. This is what it looks like with out of the pack, and each base comes with a brush. And this looks kind of thick for a cut crease. Maybe if you flatten it out, we'll see. I got my first palette from Plouise, and it's her palette from her Worldie collection. Guys, look how beautiful this palette is. You take it out from the box. So as you guys can see, this is the palette, and then let me see how I can make you guys see. As you guys can see, there's literally sand in there, like pink sand. Oh, this is the best packaged product that I own. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's, oh girl, this palette is so super pigmented. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys the look that I come up with. So stay tuned for the next clip or the next few clips where I do my eyeshadow with this palette and this base. Y'all not ready, okay? I'm not even ready. Alright, you guys, so I'm starting off by priming my eyes with Plouise's base shade 2, and I'm just using a Morphe 173 buffer brush to just pat that product in and get my eyes ready for eyeshadow. And of course, I am using Plouise's Worldie palette, and I am using a pencil brush to map out that elongated winged shape that I'm going for, and I'm using the color San Francisco in that palette. So you guys, I'm just packing this color above my crease. I'm not really blending right now. I'm focusing more on packing the color and more on perfecting that shape that I'm going for. And I'm using more of short circular motions and stamping motions instead of swiping the color, because if you swipe the color, you might interfere with the base. So you want to focus more on stamping and packing rather than swiping the product. Alright, so now that I'm satisfied with that shape, I am taking the shade Big Apple from the palette, and I'm just using that to blend out the first half of that first eyeshadow that I placed down. I hope that makes sense. Next, I'm taking the shade Sky High to blend out the outer portion of that first color. And again, I'm tapping and using short circular motions instead of swiping so that I do not disturb the base underneath. The base was not set with any type of powder, so the eyeshadows themselves are serving as the powder that sets the base, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going back to the front portion and I'm taking the shade Baggage, my favorite shade in the palette, to blend out the color before, which was Sky High. I also blended out the outer portion with the shades Worldie and Europe, but that clip seems to be missing. Then I'm going back into Sky High and I'm using that to connect the outer portion, the wing with the outer portion of my eye, the lower lash line, if that makes sense. You guys are seeing, so I'm sorry if I don't explain that well enough. Now I'm taking a wipe and I am taking a tweezer. I'm going to wrap the tweezer in the wipe and I'm going to dip that in some micellar water and I'm going to use that to clean up the excess shadow and base off of my eyelids, so that when I go back in to cut the crease, it does not get all muddy and mucky. And I'm using the tweezer to give me some precision. You guys will see what I mean. Alright, so I'm taking that light pink paint that I showed you guys earlier. This is a paint, you guys, not a base. I don't know why I kept saying base in the beginning, but this is a paint. And I'm taking my time and I'm going to create the first cut. This is more of like a double cut crease, so I'm going to take my time. I'm going to create my first cut with the paint. Next, I'm using the Morphe M507 to pat the excess base off and also to set that base, and then I'm going to go in and pack on the shade Worldie. But then I wasn't satisfied with how the color was looking, so I went back in with the shade Europe on top of that. Next, I'm going to go back in with the micellar water and I'm going to clean off the excess base off of my eyelids, and then I'm going to go in with my second cut, and for the second cut I'm using base shade 2. Now the first cut is going to serve as a liner, so I am cleaning off the excess and I'm trying to make it as thin as possible to mimic a liner in my crease. Alright, so like I said before, I'm going in with base shade 2 and I'm going to create my second cut. Alright, so next I'm going in with the shades Destination, J'adore Paris, and Global, and I'm going to pack that on my lids in the same order that I mentioned. Alright you guys, basically that is all I did, as well as I used the same colors that I used in my crease and my lower lash line. I did my face off camera so that I could save you guys some time. This video would have been way too long if I included my base. I will come to you guys with my foundation routine in a different video. You guys can enjoy my little slow-mos, and then I will come back and let you guys know my final thoughts on the product. All right.
What is up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine, so say and it's like okay, but I was gonna say but not today. Of course I am slaying today, okay? So you guys, I recreated this look that I saw on Plouise's Instagram. I will leave the picture somewhere on the screen so that you guys could see the look that I was going for, so that you guys can let me know in the comment section below whether I nailed it or I failed it, okay? But I personally feel like I did my thing on this one, okay? I personally feel like I did my thing on this one. I didn't think that I could achieve this look. It took me 5 hours. 5 hours. It took me 5 hours. I started like after 7 and it's like, oh no, it didn't take me 5 hours.
Boy, if you don't get
It's like 10:43, so it's almost 11. So it took me kind of like 4-ish hours. Okay, but anyways you guys, if you guys like this look, be sure to like the video, comment, let me know how you guys think I did, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss another video of mine. I'm tired of telling you guys that I'm about to be consistent and then I go ghost, so I'm just gonna tell you guys that I will see you in my next one. All right. Okay you guys, I am back with my final. I forgot that this was like a review type of video. I was supposed to come up with my final thoughts, but I feel like it speaks for itself. You see those colors? You see how they pop in? You can't tell me you don't see that. And they blend. The blend is almost like effortless, okay? This palette is beautiful, okay? It's like, if I haven't stressed this enough, okay? Let me show you guys. This palette is so beautiful, and the shades, oh, you see that, girl, do you see that? The shades are all beautiful. They are so beautiful, and they blend. Like, this formula is like next level, like and it also, I forgot to mention, It came with this 5 milliliter base shape tool. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing that. This is so cute to me. This is very cute. But yeah, I feel like I'm rambling. I feel like I'm talking. I feel like I talk too much. But yeah, this is my honest review. And y'all know I love Plouise. Y'all know, and this is not biased, okay? I love Louise. I love all her products. I just feel like she has a brilliant mind. She's a brilliant woman and she's so kind. And yeah, that's all I gotta say, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.